The help's needed because we can now confirm 11 fatalities from this event. That number may still grow. That's an addition of two since last night. Those include an adult male in Hardin County, an adult male in Floyd County. All of Kentucky still has standing water in different areas. You'll hear in a minute over 300 roads still impacted and closed. So, everyone, be careful. While for parts of eastern Kentucky, it isn't equivalent to the July 2022 floods, we saw daily record rainfalls set in Frankfort, Paducah, Bowling Green, London, and Jackson. We have another weather event coming into the Commonwealth. Unfortunately, right now it is for most all of the Commonwealth, save for parts of northern Kentucky. What this means is water that's out there, we still have a lot, can freeze. We're going to see black ice in different places during both the days and the nights and how cold it's going to get. And remember, the extra snow we're going to get, if we can go to the next slide, is going to be a challenge for our transportation crews. They're out there, they're working hard, but remember they're also trying to clear roads that are currently closed. They're working on damage that has been done to the roads. The amount of snow predicted and where it's hit has changed since yesterday, and unfortunately, the heavier parts now look like they may hit parts of eastern Kentucky. Given that at the moment we've got 14,672 people without power. So, still dealing with this current emergency situation. Water outages. We have 17,245 customers without water. 28,070 are under a boil water advisory. We have one system that's not in operation at all, and 28 systems in limited operations. We have 7 wastewater systems not operational. What flooding especially can do, and just the pressure that it puts on these lines is really significant. We have 33 wastewater systems under limited operation, 9 experiencing bypasses, and 6 are experiencing discharges from portions of their collective system.
Most fatalities occur in vehicles that have gone into these high water conditions.